Project Navigation. We're here as a partner with Allscripts and looking to facilitate adoption. As you know, Meaningful Use final rules were published July 13th. At the show, we're also unveiling a couple of new tools that we'll be displaying to customers. So why don't we take a look at some of those new tools right now. As you know, Meaningful Use was finalized. The final rule is out. There's been a lot of comments in regards to the final rules themselves, but really the time is now to get started both in planning and preparing to meet Meaningful Use and understand what it's going to take from your organization to actually meet that criteria. Chime also supports that with their implementation roadmap, which was published off of the July 13th criteria, and really developing a strategic plan, a gap analysis, and then moving into your implementation. And in order to do that, you really need to have a finalized Meaningful Use timeline. So what are the applications that you need to get installed in order to meet the criteria and be able to report on that? We have tools that enable you to do that, as well as identify where your resource gaps are in your plan based on what the vendors define as resource requirements, and what you actually have then determines your gap. We also have the ability to define your resource demand by month and role to help you really understand what it's going to take to accomplish the plans that you've got laid out. Budgets are extremely important as we look at doing this, looking at what you're going to spend by month and by resource, so you have a very tight control on your budget. Looking at it from your fiscal quarter, so how are you going to present to your board of directors additional budgets that are required to meet Meaningful Use? And we have tools that will help you enable to do that. And then ultimately, what's your ROI by stage to meet your Meaningful Use criteria? So we enable the calculation of resource costs to determine that. How are you measuring your core measures? So are you able to report, and then the level of achievement that you've achieved within your organization? We also provide dashboards that help you provide an overview of where your healthcare organization is actually at in the level of achievement and your ability to report. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at information@projectnavigation.com, and we look forward to talking with you and helping you achieve Meaningful Use for your organization.